Hey guys, interested in Bharat Chawal? Then let's check out. Hello, Namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling. Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, we have ordered Bharat Atta, Bharat Rice and Bharat Dal from Jiomart stores. And today we'll see the Bharat Rice review or Bharat Chawal, whatever you call. As you see in the picture, this is Bharat Rice, 29 rupees per kg. This is 10 kg bag rice, which is given by Modi Sarkar government. This we have got on Jiomart stores. I'll tell you in the later part of the video as how to order on Jiomart stores. As you see in the picture, best before date is given, before which you got to use the rice. It is usually for 1 year. Now let's unpack the rice bag and see how is the rice, right? This is available on Flipkart stores, pin code stores and Vishal Mega Marts, and you can check out on different e-commerce platforms. They're also available offline as well. As you see in the picture, this is how the rice is. It seems to be, just like our daily rice, but it's not so. But when you cook the rice, the texture is different, it's sticky and it's hard to chew. Most important, the specialty of this rice is when you have 10 spoons of rice, your tummy will be full. The rice grain bulges or becomes fat after cooking, and it's like dosa rice or store rice we get usually in ration stores of state governments. Now without any delay, we'll see how the rice is after cooking. Let's go for it. Yes? Did you see how is the rice after cooking? Please don't mistake the rice being fluffy and soft, because it is not. And if you want this rice, you can taste it once. It is sweet. And now we'll see how to order Bharat Rice, Bharat Dal and Bharat Atta or flour on Jiomart stores. Let's check out. You go to Jiomart app. As you see in the picture, you give in the search bar as Bharat. When you give the word Bharat, this is a keyword that brings you out all the Bharat items out. And here comes the Bharat Dal and Bharat Atta. And particularly if you want Bharat Rice, you can search for it. Otherwise, you can go check my description box. I'll provide the links of Bharat Rice, Bharat Atta and Bharat Flour. You can click on the links and buy whatever the items you want. After giving Bharat in the search bar, you will come up with this Bharat Rice, Bharat Atta. You can click on them and add to cart as shown in the picture. Here I'm adding Bharat Dal, Bharat Atta and Bharat Rice. You click on Bharat Rice as shown in the picture. I'm showing once again here. And scroll down. And you will have this option come up, add to cart. Click on add to cart. After adding all the items to the cart, click on cart as shown in the picture. Once you click, you see here an option has come up as apply coupon. You can click on that. If there's any coupon, you can apply and come back to the cart. Now click on place order. Once you click, you've got to click on make payment. You can go through all the payment modes. These are all online payment modes. If you want cash on delivery, you can scroll down as shown in the picture and select that and say yes. Once you say yes, your order is placed. As you see in the picture, you'll come up with these order details, and once order is delivered and you got to make payment by cash, so you can go through all the order details as shown in the picture. And this is how you can order Bharat Rice or Bharat Atta or Bharat Dal that are available right now on Jiomart stores. Go check it out. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do share, subscribe to Flying Skies One. Have a good day and keep smiling.